Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new Toyota Sienna LE. This is a 7-passenger minivan in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna include roof rails, heated mirrors, power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once we're the driver's side and take a look in the front first. Now, right up top, you'll find your power windows, locks, and adjustable side mirrors. You do also have some storage space along the bottom of the door there. And inside, this Sienna comes equipped with gray cloth seating, and on the bottom you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. We have a key fob here. We're going to start this Sienna up. As always, we're going to start with the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have this cluster up top. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Down below, you'll also find your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our display, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. Now you also have your trip information. So if we press that, this is a touchscreen that will enlarge in here. You can also look at your history. Going into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options, and of course you can connect your phone through Bluetooth like I mentioned. Going into reverse, of course that'll bring up that backup camera for you. Moving down below that is the climate control. Now it is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well. And you also have this dial in the center here. Those are for the passengers in the back. Down below that, we have this little piece here. If we press that, 2 cup holders will slide open. Right next to that, you have your driver and passenger heated seats, along with your USB auxiliary. You also have your 12-volt outlet, and you do have some storage on the bottom here with this nice little shelf. You do also have an extra 12-volt outlet on the bottom as well. And like I mentioned, this Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we're going to hold that left button on our key fob, and that door will open for us. Now if we take a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the gray cloth seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. The second row seats do fold down as well. It's as easy as pulling this little handle upwards. They fold, and then we can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your tri-zone climate control system, Bluetooth capabilities, and driver and passenger heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take a Ford test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.